Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the k-nearest neighbor algorithm, which is a machine learning algorithm which is very popular, and it is one of the most easiest algorithm to learn. As it is one of the most easiest algorithm, so I'm gonna starting with the most easiest algorithm, and then I will go with the difficult one like decision tree and others like that, and also regression, decision tree, k-means, clusterings, and all of those things. So the most important part in this algorithm is to learn the distance from your unknown given data to your given data set, and need to find the distance. The main formula is the Euclidean distance, which is root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Let's see how it works. Suppose we have a circle here. One of your class is triangle, okay, one of your class is square, and another is triangle. So you have to vote in this particular class or segment who wins for vote. The triangle is 2 times and the rectangle is only 1 times. So 2 times the triangle and 1 times is rectangle. Okay, so who wins? The triangle. So in this class we can see these data points. If any data points come, or if you want to classify something, because in machine learning you need to classify something, classify your unknown data. Okay, so you need to find which class it belongs to, your unknown data. Suppose your unknown data is 2 3, suppose. So which class it belongs to? Does it belongs to the triangle or it belongs to the rectangle? It will say, when you understand all the logic or the mathematics, then you can understand which one is that. As it is working based on the voting system, it will win the triangle, because there is 2 times triangle and only 1 times it has rectangle. So the vote goes for triangle. You can say anything like triangle for dog and rectangle for cat, anything like that. So one more thing you need to understand, k. Here we have in one cluster we have only 3 values, so our k is 3 based. We can have k is equals to 5 base as well. Suppose this one. In this value we have 2 triangle and 3 rectangle. So total 1 2 3 4 5. So total we have 5 values. So who wins according to vote? Just forget these things doesn't exist. So there are 3 rectangle and 2 triangle. So here wins the rectangle. So if we take k is equals to 5, the rectangle wins. If we take k is equals to 5, because there is more rectangle in this class. But if we take k is equals to 3 here, the winner is triangle. So based on what k value we take, the decision changes, so be careful with that. So to find this we need to know some rules, which is very simple. xy is the point to given data point to the distance. So xy will be your unknown data point. You need to find the distance from your given all the data sets. You need to find distance from them. Then you need to sort them based on distance. Which distance is the smaller? You need to sort by smallest to the largest. Third step, you need to form sorted data. From sorted data you need to take k is equals to 3 or k is equals to 5. First check k is equals to 3, which class it is. Then you need to check k is equals to 5 and then which class it is. And k must be odd number. It is very essential to k is equals to odd number, because this algorithm works with the vote. Whoever has most number of items wins, because in k is equals to 5 we have 3 rectangle, so rectangle is the class, and in this we have the triangle winner, because there is 3 5 or 7. There cannot be odd, because if there is odd, if there is 2 2, then you cannot classify it properly, because there would be a tie between them, so you cannot do it. So this is our data set given. For the x1 column we have 4.2 3.8 2.7 all of those, and x2 we have 2.8 0.5 and all of those. Suppose for 4.2 and 2.8 data we classify it as class 1. This is our training data actually. 3.8 and 0.5 it is under class 1, and 2.7 and 2.5 it is under class 1 as well, and others are belong to class 0. Okay, you can say these are all the triangle and these are all the rectangle. You can do anything you like, or you can classify ones as dog and zeros as cat. Okay, so now let unknown data point is given x, y, which is 2.2 and 3. You need to find the distance as and find and classify whether it is belong to class 1, which is dog, or 0, which is cat. You need to find it and classify it. So our formula is, again, this one is our Euclidean distance formula. Based on it we will apply this algorithm. So this is all the same data set are given from here. You will apply all of those data set here, and you need to find the distance from your given point. Our given point is this point 2.2 and 3. So this is our 2.2 and 3 is our unknown data. So from 4.2 minus 2.2, which is our data point, unknown data point x variable whole square, plus 2.8 minus 3 is our unknown data point y value square. And if we sort it, the value is 2.009998. If we sort it, we have it under 4th position. And same way for 3.8, the formula is 3.8 minus 2.2 whole square plus 0.5 minus 3, which is actually this 3 square. You find the value for each of those data point. 2.7, 2.5, you find this value, and all of those value you'll find it like that. And based on it, whichever is the smallest one, the smallest one is this one, so it is number 1 ranking. And then we have this one is the second, this one is the third, this one is the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. This is the largest. So we'll sort all of the data point based on this rank. So number 1 would be 1.7 and 3.2 because its rank is 1. See, our x and y data point, these are all the data point will be based on our rank. The rank 1, see, rank 1, we have 1.7, 3.2. Just add it. Okay, and this class is coming from this class. 1.7 and 3.2 belong to 0 class according to our training data set. So add it here. Now 2.7 and 2.5 is rank is 2. Let's find out 2.7 and 2.5 its rank is 2. Okay, and let's see 2.7 and 2.5 it is belongs to class 1. Same way 2.7, 2.5 belongs to class 1 and its rank is 2. So in this way you will do it for all the data sets for all of those class and all of those rank. Remember that it will be according to the rank and sorting rank. Number 1, the smallest distance, then bigger distance, bigger, biggest. Will be an ascending order. Okay, the rank is actually the sorting of this value. Okay, the distance value, because we want to find the closest value. So this is the main thing that we have to do. So first we need to take k is equals to 3. So if we take k is equals to 3, we have 0, 1 and 0. So 2, 0. 0 is actually cat, 1 is actually dog. If we take 3 value, we have 2 number of zeros and 1, 1. So we can say this data point 2, 3, this is our unknown data point, is actually belongs to 0, which is cat. Okay, if we take 5 items, this 5 we have 3 number of 1, so 1 is actually the dog. Then this data point, unknown data point, would be on dog class because 1 is dog, because there is 3 number of 1s and only 2 zeros, so the voting wins for 1, so it would be dog class. So based on the k value we classify as different one of this data point, unknown data point. So it is very simple and easy for k optimal values of k. If your total data set is n, suppose your total data set is like 150 items. Okay, so here we have only 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7, only 7 data items. Okay, data sets. But if it is like 50 or 100 or 200 and 300, suppose n is 150, then the optimal values of k would be root over 150, which is 12.28. But we cannot take 12 because odd is not good for voting. It would be many times it would be a tie, so we need to take odd number, which is 13. So the k must be odd, and it should be like 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, 15, this type of things. Okay, so the k-mean clustering, the KNN algorithm, which is k nearest neighbor algorithm, is suitable when the data set is very small, like you have 100 data set, 200, 500, 600, this type of things. If it is millions and millions of data, then it would not be that useful. Okay, so our main purpose is to find the distance from your unknown data point to your all the data set given. Just find the distance. Okay, find the distance within this formula, and you need to just add the value, because you need to sort it according to the value. The smallest one is the rank 1, and it goes ascending order to the smallest to the biggest value. So this is the way we sort our values, and within the sorting value we just add all those data and its class, and its class coming from this way. So in this way you just organize all of those things and take 3 values or take 5, whichever you can say. So this is the main thing that you need to find the k nearest neighbor algorithm, which is one of the most easiest and fun to teach algorithm. So I'm starting with this algorithm. In the next algorithm I'm going to talk about the k-means clustering algorithm. So till then, take care of you guys. I will catch up in the next video.